Well, in a 6-3 vote, the Supreme Court struck down the federal moratorium on evictions, meaning millions of people struggling to pay rent may soon be kicked out of their homes. NewsNation correspondent Paul Gerke joining us live tonight from New York City. So, Paul, why did the justices rule this way?
Nicole, the court is arguing that it's a case of overreach by the CDC. Simply put, a stop on evictions is something that has to be legislated and legislated by Congress. On the other side of the token, the Centers for Disease Control has argued that the COVID Delta variant is simply too dangerous to force evictions and therefore may be forcing people into crowded homeless situations. But the bottom line is that if Congress doesn't act, people will end up on the street.
I slept in my car with my animals the first night.
Corrine Cortino of Las Vegas is one of the roughly 3.5 million Americans wondering how she's going to pay her rent. The Supreme Court's decision means landlords can begin eviction processes in many parts of the country, an idea that doesn't sit well with the Biden administration.
Our objective is to keep as many people around the country in their homes as possible. Federal legislation is one way to do that.
Another is the $46.5 billion rental aid program set up by the government to help those affected by the pandemic. But only about 10% of that money has been distributed so far. Corrine lost her business and has had to rely on a GoFundMe to try to pay back more than $8,000 in past due rent.
This pandemic has destroyed my life. This wasn't supposed to happen.
And yet we're hearing stories just like hers coming from all over the globe, Nicole. It's important to think about this in another context, too. Although many of us can't relate to what it's like to own rental properties and collect money from other people, you have to think about the landlords. This is a two-sided issue. The group of landlords that brought this to the Supreme Court's docket, they're hurting, too. Their revenue stream dried up the same way that many of us has when we lost our jobs during the pandemic. Nicole?
All right, so, Paul, does this mean that those evictions start right away? I mean, are notices going out right now as we speak?
That's a really important question, and it depends entirely on where you live. For example, in California, the eviction moratorium extends until the end of September. In Illinois, for example, police can't make you leave your home until the 18th of September at the earliest. Here in New York, the eviction moratorium has been extended until the end of this month. It may very well be extended again, just like it might be in the other 4 states with moratoriums you see on your screen. We'll have to see. It depends on what you do with all those people if there is a mass homelessness event, Nicole.
All right, we'll see what happens. Thank you, Paul Gerke, a new correspondent. Welcome to News Nation.